Hi, in this video, we'll see how to export a document. So example, what I wrote, what I did, I just went to the Wikipedia page and Wikipedia history, I just copied it. Okay, so this is example on sample document. So I just wrote it and this one, I want to save it, example, to formatting, whatever, okay, so example, you read Wikipedia history, okay, brief, okay, violence. Okay, so I just wrote it and now I want to uh, so through alignment whatever I will do this alignment and I did it and then increase the font size, increase the color, okay, or whatever I did it. Now this one I want to save it. So you can save it directly or you want to export a PDF. So or you want to export any document. What you can do, you can save it as is. Okay, so you can save it as is. I'm just uh, so I'm going to documents example. Okay, so you can save it. This is how the save was. Similarly, if you want to use export option, so you just go to here, file, export, okay, and create PDF document. Just click create PDF, and you can PDF developer. So 1 minute. So I just select it here. The PDF should happen. See here, PDF got created, right? Similarly, if you want, so there is different options are there. So example file. So you want to do the XPS document, you can select XPS also. You can change file type, example Word document, .dosds or .doc or dot, no, .dot itself. Make a different template itself. None on open document ODT format or RTF format, text format, everything you can change. Example text format, right? So say select plain text. Okay, so now one Word document got created, and text document got created. Okay, so this is how the uh, export uh, documents works in the MS Word system. Okay, see you in my next video. Thank you.